Yeah, so yesterday afternoon to the evening, we had a number of severe thunderstorms that moved through the area, and we did have a tornado warning that was issued on the storm over Catawba County. So we came up here today to take a look at some of the damage in the area. We did find a number of trees that were downed over along Rifle Range Road and moving southeast towards the Claremont and Conover area. So the trees that were down based on the location and the storm where they occurred and the direction that they fell were indicative of straight line winds. So we're estimating straight line winds of up to 75 miles per hour. So we didn't actually find any evidence of a tornado with this storm, although it did down a number of trees. So what we look for is the direction that the trees fell combined with the radar data and the location within the storm where it fell. So in this case, the trees fell in the direction of the storm motion in kind of a divergent pattern where they fell away from each other. So for tornadoes, what we're typically going to look for are storms that produce tree damage that falls in a convergent pattern where the trees are blowing in towards each other and somewhat falling across each other. And we didn't see evidence of that, and the location within the storm where they fell isn't the location that's typically associated with a tornado. So in this case, it was what we call a supercell thunderstorm, and in these thunderstorms, they have a feature called a hook echo, which is where the tornado is located. And once we came up here and looked at the storm damage, we saw that the trees that had fallen were not located in the region where the tornado would be associated. They occurred in a region where that's usually favored for straight line winds. We didn't. The storm really intensified over northern Catawba County over the St. Stephen's area, and then as it moved southeast towards Claremont and Conover, that's where we saw the worst of the